I built this kitchen in my basement about 20 years ago. And when I did that, I decided to put my sump pump in this corner cabinet here. I also use this cabinet to store my old paint cans, things that I don't want to freeze in the winter. So first thing I did is I had to empty that out. And I took the cover off. And sump pump is down there. It's about 3 feet down. First thing you want to do is unplug it. Now there's nothing holding this pump in. It's connected to this pipe and this just pulls right out. So the only thing that's really holding it are these two clamps here. Once you pull those clamps loose, this whole thing will lift right out. Now this is a check valve right here. You'll see it has arrows going in one direction. What that does is it keeps the water from rushing back down. So when the water is pumped out, whatever's left in this pipe cannot come back down this way. The valve keeps it shut. So this pipe here is full of water right now. And this pipe has nothing in it. So I'm going to take that loose. I'm going to pull the pump out. And I'm going to do that right now. And again, there's nothing holding that pump. It's just sitting right on the bottom of the crock. So I'm going to take those clamps loose and pull the pump out, and I'll be right back. All right, this is my replacement pump. It's a rigid, 3rd horsepower, 48 gallons per minute. Now this pump is a little different than the one I took out. This one has a different kind of a switch. Here's the switch right here. Now this is the float, and as the water rises, it reaches that point and it turns it on. So as the water goes down, it reaches a certain point and it shuts the pump off. So that's how that works. This is my discharge pipe. I'm just going to use the old one. I'm going to wrap some Teflon tape around the bottom here. There's always some confusion on which way to wrap the tape, so I'm going to show you that right now. The best way to do this is when you're looking straight down on the pipe. Your roll should be on your right. And you wrap it clockwise. Just like that. Go around a couple times. Maybe 3 or 4 times. And you just break it off. That's it. Now I'm going to do this one-handed, so kind of hard to do this and hold the camera at the same time. But that's it right there. I'm going to fasten this down hand tight. And when it reaches that point where it's tight, I'm going to take a wrench and I'm going to tweak this about another turn. But you don't want to tighten it down too far because this is plastic and it will break or the threads will strip. So I'm going to tighten that down with a wrench and we're going to stick the pump in the crock right there, and I'll be right back to show you that. Alright, I very carefully lowered the pump inside. Trying to be careful not to bang the switch. And all I need to do is stick this on this check valve and make sure I got my clamp on there first. I just need to position the pump a little bit. That looks pretty good. There we go. Now I'm going to plug it in and fill it with some water, and we'll make sure it works. Stay tuned. I got one more thing I want to show you. There it goes. Well, that's it. I hope this helps you with your sump pump. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next project. Thanks for watching.